Hi everybody and welcome to South Pass Wellness. I'm Althea. I wanted to make this short little video to kind of tell you a little bit about what's going to be happening and what the purpose behind South Pass Wellness YouTube channel is. So I will tell you right up front, all my videos are going to be raw. I am not a big technical person, and so editing, I will be learning how to do that over the next little while. But in the beginning, all of my videos are going to be completely raw. So what you get is what you see, or what you see is what you get, one of the two. So I wanted to kind of go over kind of what is going to be happening with this particular channel. On Mondays, I have a series called Getting to Know You. Now, on this particular series, it is about learning the shapes, lines, everything from the hands to the face and even to the toes. All of these kind of things tell us our character traits and some of our insecurities. So I'll be posting little videos explaining all of that on Monday. Some of those videos have already started to drop, so I hope that you watch them and enjoy them. The next thing that we will be doing on this channel is our Top of the Mountain Tuesdays. Now this is going to strictly be for business because that is what South Pass Wellness is. It's my business. What I want to be able to do is take you through the unique things that I'm going to be doing to help promote my business along the way, and maybe they'll work for you, and you can, if they do, then great. Leave it in the comments below, right? Now on Wednesday, Wild Wonderful Wednesday, is going to be where we start organizing different things in our lives. Now it can be from personal to business to household to anything else. So we're going to be discussing unique organizing tips with that. Thursday, Thundering Thursday, it's going to be all about personal development because really South Pass Wellness is elevating you naturally. So that's where we're going to start, is our natural abilities to enhance our own personal lives. And then Featured Friday. Now in that particular segment, we will be talking about different products. These are ones that I have used, some that I promote myself, and then of course others that you're like, I want to see how it works, but does it work? So I wanted to be able to start doing some of those kind of things. It is very encouraging when you have buddies to go along the journey with you. So I'm hoping that you will enjoy this journey. I would like to, of course, invite you to participate in all of it. Now, there will be lots of information that's going to be coming through on this channel, and I'm hoping to be able to present it in such a way that you will enjoy it. And I hope to see that you will like and subscribe and participate in all the upcoming video series that we'll be doing. Now, they will be starting to be released over a while, but I will tell you from the beginning, I will be doing batch recordings in this so that I can keep up on it, and so that as new information comes about, I can be getting those channels together. Now, in the personal development and personal achievement on the Thundering Thursday, that one will be a little bit different. Some of those videos might be a little bit longer, but of course, you know, it is all about like what we're doing, how we're going to do it, and I'll walk you through the processes that I am doing. Sometimes being able to watch somebody else do it is great encouragement for us to be able to do it. So I hope that you'll enjoy it. And I look forward to visiting with all of you throughout the rest of the time of this channel. So get your notebooks, because honestly, that's really all that's going to be required, so that you can take notes, so that you can try things that work and don't work, and you can keep track of them, because of course you need to be able to measure when you start things like this. And so I think it's going to be spectacular. I look forward to participating in all of this, and I hope you will too. Thanks so much. We'll be seeing you soon.